What's the meaning of ancillary? Ancillary. 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 Ancillary.
The word ancillary means providing necessary support or assistance. It refers to something that is subordinate or supplementary, and helps in the functioning of a larger system or entity. Ancillary services are needed to support the primary function of an organization or industry. For example, in healthcare, ancillary services include diagnostic imaging, laboratory testing, and physical therapy. In the aviation industry, ancillary revenue refers to the additional income generated by airlines from services beyond ticket sales, such as baggage fees, seat selection fees, and in-flight meals. Overall, ancillary refers to something that is supportive, helpful, and complementary.